Hello subscribers or non-subscriber. Welcome back to Study Jungle. Today we'll study National Park of India Part 2. Let's begin. Guindy National Park. Guindy National Park is a protected area located in Chennai, India. Spread across 2.70 square kilometer, 1.04 square miles, it is one of the smallest national parks in India and one of the few national parks situated inside a metropolitan area. Memorials for Rajaji and Kamraj were built in 1974 and 1975, respectively, from parcels of land acquired from the reserve. In 1977, the remaining forest area was transferred to the Forest Department and in 1978 it was declared a national park. It was walled off from the adjacent Raj Bhavan and IIT Madras in the late 1980s. Kebul Lamjao National Park. The Kebul Lamjao National Park is a national park in the Bishnupur district of the state of Manipur in northeast India. It is 40 square kilometer in area, the only floating national park in the world, and an integral part of Loktak Lake. The national park is characterized by floating decomposed plant material locally called Fumdi. It was created in 1966 as a wildlife sanctuary to preserve the natural habitat of the endangered Eld's deer. In 1977, it was gazetted as National Park. Kanchenjunga National Park. Kanchenjunga National Park covers an area of 849.50 square kilometer, 327.99 square miles, in Mangan district and Gyalshing district at an elevation of 1829 meter, 6001 feet, to over 8550 meter, 28,050 feet. It is one of the few high-altitude national parks of India and was designated a mixed criteria UNESCO World Heritage Site in July 2016. The park was established in 1977 and later expanded in 1997 to include the major mountains and the glaciers and additional lowland forests. The more than doubling in size also accommodated the larger ranges of seasonally migrating animals. Dudhwa National Park. Dudhwa National Park, also known as Dudhwa Tiger Reserve, is a protected area located in the Terai region of Uttar Pradesh, India, near the Indo-Nepal border. Established in 1977, it covers an area of 490 square kilometers and is known for its diverse wildlife, including Bengal tigers, Indian one-horned rhinoceroses, and over 450 bird species. Eravikulam National Park. Eravikulam National Park is a 97 square kilometer national park located along the Western Ghats in the Idukki and Ernakulam districts of Kerala in India. The park is situated between 10°5' north and 10°20' and north 77°0' and 77°10' east and is the first national park in Kerala. It was established in 1978. Vansada National Park. Vansada National Park, also known as Bangsara National Park, is a protected area in the Navsari district of Gujarat, India. It covers an area of approximately 24 square kilometers and is characterized by its lush green, moist deciduous forests, particularly known for teak trees. The park is managed by the South Dangs Forest Division. Established in 1979. Ven Vihar National Park. Ven Vihar National Park and Zoo in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, is famous for its rich biodiversity, conservation efforts, and rescue activities. It's a popular tourist destination known for its diverse flora and fauna, including tigers, lions, leopards, sloth bears, and various bird species. The park also serves as a rescue center for animals rescued from circuses and other situations. Ven Vihar National Park in Bhopal, Madhya Pradesh, was established on January 26, 1983. It covers an area of approximately 4.45 square kilometers, 404.5 hectares. Simlipal National Park. Simlipal National Park, also known as Simlipal Tiger Reserve, is a protected area in the Mayurbhanj district of Odisha, India. It's a national park and tiger reserve covering 2,750 square kilometer, 1,060 square miles. The park is named for the abundance of red silk cotton trees, simul, in the area. It established in 1980. Ranthambore National Park. Ranthambore National Park covers a total area of 1,334 square kilometer, 515 square miles, including the Kailadevi Sanctuary and Savai Mansinha Sanctuary. The core area is about 275 square kilometer, 106 square miles. It harbors dry deciduous forests and open grassy meadow at an elevation range of about 215,505 meter, 705 1,657 feet. Ranthambore Fort was built in the 10th century by Chahmanas of Ransatambhapura at 210 meter, 700 feet above the surrounding plain. Inside the fort are 3 red stone temples devoted to Ganesh, Shiva and Ramlalaji. There is a Digambar Jain temple of Sumtinatha and Sambhavnatha. The temples were constructed in the 12th and 13th centuries. Padam Talao is the largest of the many lakes in the park. A red sandstone Jogi Mahal is at the edge of the lake. If you like the video, then please like, share and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you for watching.